Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Boss Survival right here, and today we're playing some Pixel Survival 2. And today we're gonna be technically surviving like a boss right now. Because my name is Boss Survival, you know, I'm gonna be surviving like a boss. And as you can see, I've been making tons of progress off camera. I switched up my armor a little bit, just a little bit. Then I got this jade ring. I also got the bazooka one right here. I got a pet named Fireball. I got copper axe, copper pickaxe. I got all the books. Well, not all of them exactly, because there's tons more. But I did get the new update weapon, the firecracker blade. Looks amazing. Looks OP. Does 17 damage, but with my holy banana, I do 19 damage. My holy, majestic banana. No, it's right. It's my banana. It's mine. No one can touch the banana. It's my banana. Okay? I'm like a minion. Plus, it's my banana, so you can't like touch my banana. You can't touch it. Can't touch this. Can't touch my banana. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the banana later, just so you know. It's like you're not gonna see it as a shield anymore. Oh look, this dude has the same stuff on as me. Hey, wait, hold on. We could be twins. Look at this. We could be twins. It's like I'm the better version of them. Look at this little twinning it. I'm twinning it. But I need to take a screenshot of this. That's if he stands still, exactly. Oh my god, I took a screenshot of. That was great. That was just great. Oh, keys. Okay. Die. Perish. You will perish from this world. Yeah, everything must die. Now, I think we should go into a different server. Oh wait, hold on. He has the same weapon as me. Jonathan Play. He has that. Oh, say, I'm a YouTuber. And I'm recording. I'm telling that. Just so they actually know what's going on. Kinda lagging. And I know it's from me, if it's from me recording or what, but it's perfectly fine. As you can see, I do not have face cam this time. I thought I should probably turn it off. Roran just said, okay. Just straight up, okay. Okay, straight up, they are on YouTube. Look, we have like the same stuff. Look at this. We have this. We both have this. What? Is he like my clone? Are you? What? Plus we have the same pet. This. Oh my god, we have the same stuff. Yo, does he have this? Yo. He has the same exact stuff as me. Yo, how does he have the same stuff as me? Ruin and him. Like, Ruin doesn't have the sword, but like, still, Jonathan Plays. He has the same stuff as me. Same pet and everything. Oh my god, he has the same stuff. Yo. Hello. You are my clone, right? You're my clone, right? Okay, so I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna see what server I really want to go to. See if any of my friends are on. This guy's on. Game is full on, man. Would have been his lucky day, but sadly, not. Okay, so I want to see if anyone's selling anything, because yes, I did unlock the selling area. Plus I do have the smelting area. And no one's selling anything, sadly. I want to see what I can exactly do here. Okay, so let's see what they're doing here. Oh, we have the arena. Oh, is it? I think there's a sword in here. Maybe it was from the boss. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna tell them that you guys on YouTube right now. I'm gonna tell everyone. Here's what we do right now because I'm recording. Oh yeah, this boy right here recording. I'm recording a YouTube video. Like every day, every year. No. Okay, someone has a laser gun. Immediate boss. Okay. Let's do this, guys. We can kill it. Oh, jeez, okay. Why does it have to be the really hard boss? Why does it have to be the really hard one? Please regen my health. Wait, hold on. I don't have my pet out. I need it to regen. Oh, great. I'm so dead right now. You're not surviving now. You're not surviving right now. This is not good. Yep. No way that dude was surviving. Plus the dude's dead. Oh my god. This is not good. You mean go that way? You do not tell me what to do. What is this, Grassland Arena again? What are you doing? Huh? Where do you think you're going? I'll buy some stuff. I don't know what to do. I really do not know what to do. Now, let's go put my stuff away first. I've been organizing this as well. I've been doing so much stuff off camera. Like, it's just been crazy. Yeah, then I got the new sword and everything. Cool. I really like the sword. It's actually very good. I was actually very freaked out when I got it. I was like, yes, the new weapon, firecracker blade. See, right here, firecracker blade. Now I want to see if I can possibly get a better helmet, because I think this one's actually better. I don't know why. I just feel like it is. Like I'm just not gonna. I just feel like I'm not gonna get it. Oh my god! What is going? Okay, I'm gonna go see any of my friends are. Okay, so you are here, but like your game is full. Damn it. Let's see if I can find any other players. Shadow, we got like Alifer. Sorry if I'm not okay. Alifer is just like really wanting to be my friend right now. Dang, 5,001 for this. Yo, look at that ruby silver ring. I've seen those things before. I don't really think. I'm recording. It's like I have to say this to everyone. I don't know why. I just like to shout it out. I'm recording. No, I'm not selling this, dude. I'm not selling the fire. I'm not selling this firecracker sword. This thing is good. I'm not selling it. No, you ain't touching it. You ain't touching it. I don't tell him. I feel like they need to know this. This is YouTube because I'm recording. I am recording right now. This is for real, guys. You can see the recording of majesticness happening. Can I buy your firecracker sword? No, mine. No, it's mine, dude. You can't touch it. You can't touch it, okay? You ain't allowed to touch it. So like, if you have a problem with that, no, it's mine. No, you don't deserve it. No, you don't need it. Noob, get your own. Noob. Yeah, you're a noob. Yeah, what you gonna do about that, huh? Oh, you little noob. my god, look at his name. It's like so like dark colored. It's literally hard to read whenever he leaves the game. It's probably hard to read whenever he joins it too. Look, see? Oh my god, that is crazy. I'm literally like not getting lucky right now. Okay, there we go. What if I delete this? Dang it. He's giving me it right back. It's like, take this. Oliver, you must be on YouTube correctly. Okay, there we go. Oliver the noob. Dang it, you stole my fucking branch. Stole my freaking branch. How dare you steal my branch? It's my branch. Mine. No. Bad. I'm literally running right now. Hey. Who are you? Back away! No. You're gonna give me the wood that comes from this. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Give me the branch. Yes. Get branch. That's all I really care for. Dang it. Here. Give me some more. There we go. Did I get it? Oh my god, I keep on stealing his branches. Oh my god. I keep on stealing his branches. It's actually kind of funny. I can just keep on stealing it from him. Do I even have enough? I don't have any herbs anymore. Oh my god. Okay. Make progress. Going up. Up. Are you serious? Serious? I'm just gonna fall. Oh, give me that. Give me it. Drop. Be a good dog. He's literally calling him a dog right now. Give me it! Oh my god. Give me! He doesn't want me to have it. Busting through. Who is this? Oliver, stop dying. You really need to stop dying. Why can't I kill this thing? Why? I think it's glitched. We just revive him. Revive him at least. Look, I'm literally smacking it. Die! Why is it not dying? Wait, are you just stand on it? Oh, what is this? It's the fire. Wait. I just push it around. It's like I'm playing with it. I'm literally playing with something that's supposed to be killing. Why ain't it dying though? Story. Come on, I know that these things do not have 100 health. Like things with 100 health could actually die pretty quickly. Cause like all I have to do is like hit them pretty much for like 9 times. Oh my god, I'm literally lagging like so horribly right now. Now you revive this dude? Is he okay? What is even going on? See if I can push. I'm literally pushing this dude. I think he's trying to push me back though. Damn it. Great. His eyes are open. Oh, Alifer left the game. Can I kill you now? Oh yes I can. This is so weird. I guess Alifer he was the problem. We had to have a Alifer removination. Okay. Great. We're gonna go up here. Kill some more stuff. Oh jeez. It's kinda lagging right now. Cause like people keep on joining and post I'm recording right now. Comment down below. What should I possibly do next? Yeah, I kinda died. It's my death right there. Oh my god.